Life isn't fair. It never was. It never will be. The sooner you accept this truth, the sooner you can stop wasting energy fighting it. Good things happen to bad people. Bad things happen to good people. Hard work doesn't always pay off. Doing the right thing doesn't guarantee rewards. When you stop expecting life to be fair, you free yourself. When you stop thinking you're owed something, you start appreciating what you have. Expecting nothing doesn't mean giving up. It means seeing clearly. It means living without the weight of constant disappointment. When you release your grip on how things should be, you can finally see things as they are. The less you expect, the more peace you find, the more you accept, the stronger you become.